Morning, everybody, or good afternoon. I want to go ahead and get us started. Take this time to start with and finish your own personal code of ethics. If you do not get that done the last class, you need to post that in the discussion board and then respond to 3 of your classmates. So your own personal code of ethics and then respond to 3 of your classmates. Today we are going to get started by identifying trademarks, copyrights, and patents. And you may wonder how that falls into social responsibility and ethics. It really does. And then we are going to explain actions taken by government to regulate businesses and their efforts to assist businesses. Kind of all links together in Chapter 4. Why are we doing this? Number 1, I want to help you identify ways the government protects intellectual property as a business manager and creator. And then I also want to help you see how the government helps keep businesses working effectively and to help you identify ways the government can help you when you are a manager. Okay? The government has many roles in protecting business. Work protection, contract enforcement, legal systems. But along with these areas, the government will also protect intellectual property of a company and person. And we're going to talk about that intellectual property now. So today, we're going to explore these protections. So copyright, patents, and trademarks. So a copyright. I'm going to ask you kind of to tell me your definition, but I'm going to give it to you. So a copyright is protection extended to authors of original, creative, fixed works that give the owner exclusive rights to the expression of the idea. It protects written and artistic expressions. Examples of these would be books, websites, logos, artwork, commercials, pictorial or sculpture work, photographs, drawings, graphic design, anything like that. So if you've written something, if you've created a website, a logo, art, commercials, taken a photo, those are all could be copywritten, so no one could steal them. Trademarks. These are usually a name or symbol that a company uses for its product or service. These could be a word, a phrase, a symbol, a design, sound, color, or even a smell can be trademarked. I know Disney has some particular smells that it uses in different areas that would be trademarked for their particular areas. And then a patent. This is a protection for an invention or a design. It's given to the inventor exclusively, and it's for ownership rights for a period of time. A patent is not forever, so it does not give them the rights to it for all eternity, but it gives them kind of a jump start on things so that they can use their product, create their product, before anybody else can start doing it as well. So we're going to play a little game. In the answers, you are going to tell me what it is. So I'm going to show you a picture, and then you are going to tell me if it's a trademark, a copyright, or a patent. So what is this? Trademark, copyright, or patent? Trademark, copyright, or patent? Trademark, copyright, or patent? Trademark, copyright, or patent? Starts today. Trademark, copyright, or patent? Hunger Games. Is it a trademark, a copyright, or a patent? Trademark, copyright, or a patent? Trademark, copyright, or patent? Trademark, copyright, or is this the patent? I know they're a little updated now. They don't have the chords, but is this a trademark, a copyright, or a patent? What is it? Is it a trademark, a copyright, or a patent? We wish you a Merry Christmas. Is this a trademark, a copyright, or a patent? Is this one a trademark, a copyright, or a patent? Okay. Hopefully you guys did a really good job on that. But what I want you guys to do is think of some examples of your own. I want you to think of one for each of the 3. Okay, and then you will copy and paste it onto a Word document, and you will turn it in with one that you will create for yourself. Okay, so think of one trademark, one copyright, and one patent. And then I want you to create your own. I want you to draw, write, make a model of your own invention and give it an appropriate name. This is the trademark or for TDP. This is our logo. This would be my intellectual property that we created for the dance studio. I want you to create one for yourself. If you want to write a poem, if you want to write something out like that, that's fine. If you want to create a logo for yourself, a trademark, that's fine too. If you have a design in your head of an idea of an invention, draw it out, put it on a paper, and turn it into Schoology. Okay? Now, there are a couple articles I want you to read. Number one, I want you to do a Google search for monopolies, not the game Monopoly, but monopolies. And I want you to find a recent article discussing monopolies. Then I want you to write 2 or 3 paragraphs summarizing the article. Give 1 paragraph of personal reflection of how you think a monopoly is a bad thing in the U.S. economy. Give me a link to the article as well. And then your final piece of work today, supporting e-government. Is a part of the text. I've included the part of the text that you need to read. It is in the book. And then read the questions and thinking critically. Perform the internet search that it asks you to do and answer the questions in your Google Doc. Not Google Doc, Microsoft Word. And then you will submit your Word doc to Schoology under the assignment government regulations. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.